In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a form in Hostinger Website Builder. Whether you're looking to gather feedback, collect emails, or simply allow your visitors to easily reach out, adding a form can be a powerful tool for your website. Here's how you can add a form effortlessly to your site using Hostinger's intuitive builder. To start this process, you'll need to head over to the Hostinger homepage. Once you're there, log in if you haven't already. After logging in, you should see the dashboard. Your next step will be to look for the Websites option. Generally, you'll find this in the main navigation menu on the dashboard. Go ahead and click on Websites. This will take you to a page where all your projects are displayed. Locate the specific website where you want to add the form and click on Edit Website. This feature allows you to customize and adjust elements on your site. Clicking here will take you straight to the website editor. It's where the magic happens. The website editor comes with an array of options that make it super easy to enhance your website. Now that you're inside the editor, the next step is to add a new section to your page. Look for an option labeled Add Section in the editor's toolbar. It's typically quite prominent and easy to find. Clicking on Add Section will show you various sections that you can add to your page. Each section serves a different purpose, ranging from text blocks, galleries, and, of course, forms. When you click on Add Section, take a moment to explore the various sections available. Since our focus is on forms, you'd want to zero in on something called the Contact Form option. Navigate through the choices until you find Contact Form. Go ahead and select it. This action will automatically add a pre-designed form to your website. With the Contact Form now on your page, you might want to spend a little time customizing it to suit your needs. While the default settings are great, personalizing the form can make it more aligned with your brand. You can adjust fields, change button texts, and tweak colors. Really, the sky's the limit here. And just like that, your contact form can be anchored onto any page you desire on your website. Once satisfied with your adjustments, make sure to save or publish your changes. It's that simple to add a fully functional form using the Hostinger Website Builder. With these steps, you're now equipped to enhance not only the functionality of your site, but also improve engagement and interaction with your audience. Thanks for watching, and happy website building.